Hi everyone! Did you guys know that you can actually turn on your background sound on your iPhone? Well, here's how you can do it. First of all, get to the settings of your phone and from here tap on accessibility. After doing that, here scroll down a bit until you see audio and visual. Tap on it and then tap on background sounds. So after doing that, all you have to do is simply tap on this toggle button and turn on your background sounds. You can also select what kind of sound you want by simply tapping on this sound option right here. Currently, I have Rain selected. I want ocean, so I'm going to tap on ocean just like this and go back here. You can also see many other settings according to your need. You can adjust it all you want. So in here, I'm going to turn on my background sound for now. And in order to turn off your background sound, again, tap on this toggle button and you'll be able to turn it off just like this. And yeah, that is it. This is how you can turn and off your background sound on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.